Hello, Rich Top 7th graders. This is Mr. Power. I'm recording live from my downstairs ping pong pool room. Me and Miss Roberts will be providing math for you 7th graders, and I'm going to be doing more basic skills kind of math for chapter 1, and she'll be providing enrichment kind of math for chapter 1. So if you get a piece of paper out, and if you cut your piece of paper in like down the middle and then down the side, or in half lengthways and half across the middle, and cut it into 4 equal sections, and then each section, if you cut those into 4 equal pieces, like I did here. So I'm going to give you it'd be like this. I'm going to give you, say, 2 numbers. This first time we'll do with whole numbers. And remember, whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, and 3. Cha-cha-cha. Those are whole numbers. They start with a whole. And so I'm just going to ask you to add them. These two would add up to 22. I'll ask you to subtract them. I'll ask you to multiply them. And I'll ask you to divide them. And so for this first piece of paper, these are the 4 sets of numbers I'm going to ask you to use. And so on your paper, I'd like you to write 12 plus 3, then 12 minus 3, 12 times 3, and 12 divided by 3. And then for your next 2 sets of numbers, I'd like you to 24 plus 8, 24 minus 8, 24 times 8, and 24 divided by 8. And then for your next 2 sets of numbers, 16 plus 12, 16 minus 12, 16 times 12, and 16 divided by 12. And for your last 2 sets of numbers, 25 plus 15, 25 minus 15, 25 times 15, and 25 divided by 15. Now these two, your answers are going to be improper, so reduce them and make them into mixed numbers, okay? And so in the next video, I'm gonna have the solutions to these worked out, so you can, after you do this, you can actually check it and see how you did. So good luck with these. Again, this is from chapter 1 on rational numbers, and the easiest kind of rational numbers are, start off with just whole numbers. So I'm gonna stop now.